Every year we put a launch on. We've got a new sponsor, Dafabet. They're a major company, and if you get a sponsor like Dafabet who are prepared to work with you, it works wonders. Our PR and everything else is improved out of all recognition. Our European competition this year has been absolutely superb. We won 6 out of 8 games.
Yeah, there's definitely progression, you know. I think we've shown in the first leg against Torshavn and the second leg, showing the standards getting a lot better. Not just TNS, but like Newtown, Airbus, you know, they all did well in Europe, and yeah, the league's definitely getting stronger.
It just gives everyone in the club and all the fans an experience, I think, a dream for a lot of the players, and just a great honour for the club.
If you go back 22 years ago when we started this league, and then you look at it today, there can't be any doubt in anybody's mind how this league has progressed.
You probably know the kick-off will change to 5:15 on a Saturday, which we hope is better for supporters going to the matches and also for people who wish to watch it on television.
They'll be showing 31 domestic live games on S4C throughout the season, which is great news for us in the Dafabet Welsh Premier League. People from outside the United Kingdom can now see highlights of their favourite Welsh Premier League clubs.
As far as pre-seasons go, it's gone really well, and also our performances in Europe are fantastic as well, and I think we're a little bit unlucky, but everything's in place to hopefully be up there or thereabouts, and hopefully, you know, challenge TNS this year. I think it's important that people take on board the Welsh Premier League, and we do try to play the right way and play some nice football. I think it's getting stronger and stronger every year. I know everyone keeps on saying about the European performances, but I think that's been coming for the last couple of years. The 3Gs, as the guys mentioned, it has helped, and it has made the players better on more regular occasions.
It's going to be very tough wherever you go. You look at the league, you can't look at one team and say there's going to be an easy game, but we're going to have to look at each team individually. We'll have our own tactics set out and just try our best. That's all we can do. We've been training hard, done a lot of fitness, try and compete with the other Welsh teams. I've been on the side a few times speaking to the fans, and everyone's really up for it. Everyone can't wait for the season to start.
I think the clubs have got to take the majority of the credit. Of course, the FAW do work behind the scenes, but you see clubs like the New Saints who were very unlucky not to progress further in the Champions League. It's lovely to hear the players themselves actually say that the standards are improving year on year, and that's what we aim to continue.